Robots for tomorrow. Humans for future generations. Changing the future of manufacturing with the Armroid robot system. Okuma's Armroid is a robot system that offers a compact installation footprint, flexible adaptability to production conditions, and easy automation with high operability that anyone can use. Its unique structure, with the robot built into the machining chamber, reduces installation space by 80% compared to standard robot cells, enabling space-saving automation for multitasking machines. Armroid allows for easy switching from a standalone machine to a robot machining cell simply by moving the work stalker, and can be flexibly operated for different purposes, such as automated night operations or low-volume production during the day by human operators. Furthermore, it enables continuous operation day and night using the robot. The end effector at the tip of the robot arm is stored within the machine and can be automatically changed, making it easy to switch between different uses. End effectors can be selected according to the shape of the workpiece, accommodating both shaft and flange shapes. In Okuma's in-house factory, the synergistic effect of process integration with multitasking machines and automated transfer with Armroid has achieved 20 hours of automated operation. This system has also proven effective in customer factories. At a factory where a single operator was managing 3 lathes, replacing one machine with the Multus B250 Armroid resulted in improved utilization rates for all 3 machines. By automating the Multus B250 Armroid and operating the other 2 machines simultaneously, the operator's production capacity doubled. The robot's motion program requires only parameter input, making it easy to operate even for beginners from the first day of installation. The robot can be controlled using the machine's operation panel or pulse handle, allowing operators to run it as easily as they would normally operate a machine. The controller is equipped with the OSP P500. The robot's movements can be checked from the machine's operation panel. Because of its unique structure, with the robot built into the machine, various types of machining assistance are possible. For example, the built-in robot enables specific machining assistance, such as preventing chips from sticking using a mixing blow of coolant and air, reducing chatter in long workpieces with backup rollers, and cleaning the inside of the machine. The compact installation footprint, flexible adaptability to production conditions, and operator-friendly design make the Armroid robot system a valuable solution for addressing labor shortages in factories while contributing to increased productivity.